how to maintain a business in existence. When you look at all businesses in Uganda, they exist for a short period of time. What is the cause of the problem? Do we employ poor managers? Do we employ poor administrators? Why businesses for whites exist for quite a long period of time? I remember in 1960s, almost all the businesses existed in 1960s, managed by black people. Almost all the companies closed. What is the cause of the problem between the administration of blacks and whites? I remember we had very many insurances in 1960s. Sun Insurance, Planet Insurance, Patriotic Insurance, all closed. In 1970s, all closed. Ottoman Bank also closed. Why businesses managed by blacks exist for a short period of time? But when I look at 1960s, businesses managed by Indians, managed by whites, are still in operation. For example, Bank of Baroda, Barclays Bank, it is still in operation. But those banks existed in 1960s. What is the cause of the problem? You have set up a business. After 10 years, 20 years, closes. What is the cause of the problem? Blacks don't have plans for our businesses. Whites, they have long-term plans between 50 to 100 years. But always, for us in Africa here, our plans in terms of business, they are just between 5 to 10 years. After that, we don't have another plan. Please, if you want to exist in a business, have longer term plans. Anybody who wants money must have longer term plans. That's why nowadays people are growing coffee, because coffee can exist for more than 100 years and people are earning a lot of money from it. Change your attitude from short-term businesses to long-term businesses. Have operational plan. Stay on. Uganda Catholic TV, good news for all.